Alright, so as you probably just saw there, today's going to be a really good video. I'm really excited about this video. Yesterday we went and picked up the Alta. It's an electric dirt bike, and this thing is fast, and it's just as fast as my dirt bike and probably faster. But I'm excited to go ride that thing. I got it charged up last night, and we're going to go ride it today, so it should be a good video. Is it going to be fun? So I got this bike from Marionville Power Sports, and that's where I get all my bikes and all my parts and stuff. They really treat you right, and they're really good people over there. They know what they're doing, and yeah, like I said, super nice people, so make sure to check them out. They help me out quite a bit. Apparently Frank wants to get his morning workout in, so that's what we're about to do right now. Oh. Alright, here we go, round two. Oh yeah. I don't have a helmet on or anything, so I don't really want to go fast or ride too much, but Frank likes his morning workout. I think Frank likes the Alta, so I think we should keep this thing. Like this video if you think I should get one of these things. We're gonna get it loaded up in the van and then go get to riding it. Should be good. Got them all loaded, and I've got the 250 in there because I'm gonna do a lap time comparison video between the Alta and then the 250 two-stroke. So be sure to check out that video. It'll probably be, I don't know, probably next week. So yeah, that should be a good video too, just comparing lap times between the two. But best thing about loading up the Alta is you just turn it on, and then as you're going up the ramp, you can just hit the throttle a little bit and it goes right up in there. We just made it here. We're pulling up. So we just got here and I got warmed up on my 250 and did a few laps on it, and now we're gonna go out and ride the Alta. And huge shout out to Nate over there. He's filming for us today. Gonna get some shots on this thing, and yeah, we're just gonna go have some fun on it. Let's go. This thing is sick. This thing is like the ultimate pit bike. This thing's crazy. Dude, there's no doubt I'm faster on this thing.
You're faster?
I think so. I don't know. We'll see.
I thought the same thing when I first rode it, but I wasn't sure. But
well, we'll find out when I time it all.
Yeah. Dude, isn't it crazy how you hear your, like, how much you hear?
Mm-hmm.
Like your knobbies biting.
Yeah.
Like,
it's insane.
Ow.
I'm really curious to see the lap times though.
Yeah. This corner's tricky.
Yeah, it is. It's like bumpy. And then you got like a rut coming out.
Yeah. He roosted me.
Just like the acceleration on this thing is insane.
I know. And you're not even 4.
Yeah, like as soon as I hit it, it's just. Uh-oh.
You hear that? Neither do I. Haha.
Going 2 up on the Alta, being gay. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Hey, this is where I crashed earlier. Yeah, that's what I did. I jumped into it and got on it, and it flamed out. And I like went over the bars.
It's so weird. Oh my gosh, that's so cool, dude.
Sick.
What'd you think? How'd I look on it?
It looked good.
Yeah.
And then once you leave this corner, I didn't hear you until like.
That's hilarious. So I just rode that thing around for a while, and oh my gosh, I feel really good on it. It's just no clutch. You don't have to worry about shifting or anything like that. So that thing is really cool. We'll try to get some video of Nate here. Are you serious? Went down on it. What is this kid doing? Oh my gosh. Wow. Leaking gas everywhere. Did you stall it?
Yeah.
That is insane. Yeah. Dude, I was kind of struggling to keep up with you.
Yeah, I was doing good on it.
All right. Well, guys, I just got home and that was absolutely a blast. I wish I could just keep this thing and ride it all day. There's so many videos I can make with this thing. It just like opens up like a whole new area to where you could ride like almost anywhere, because nobody can hear you riding this thing. So you could take it like pretty much anywhere. If you find a cool spot to ride, just take it out and session it or whatever. You know, it's just such a cool bike to ride and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of watching us try to rip this thing up. So I definitely enjoyed it, and once again, huge thanks to Marienville Power Sports and Steve Underwood over there. He really hooked it up for us with this one. He let us borrow it, and yeah, it was super fun. So I'm also going to have a lap time comparison video, so be sure to check that out when it comes out. And it's going to be between my 252 stroke and the electric bike, so be sure to check that out too. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.